Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sir Milan Chess. In today's chess video, I am going to give you 3 best and amazing chess tactics played by grandmasters. Okay, I will be showing you 3 unbelievable chess tactics where some really strong players lost in the game. Okay, let's go to the tactic 1, this particular chess video. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the tactic 1. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is tactic 1 played by grandmasters. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white 10. White wins by checkmate in 12 moves only. You can see here only 12 moves. White wins by checkmate. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Let's go to the moves. First move is queen cross c7. Now sacrifice the queen. If take the queen by the king, that's it. We will seek out to candle this much white. White decided to push his knight to here on b5. Now discovered check here. Now black 10. Black king got to b8. Then white 10. White made a brilliant move of rook to d8. Now beautiful check here. If take the rook, why the rook? Then beautiful move make white bishop go to there in f4 and brilliant check. Now if black the check with not black the check, he push the king to a8. Okay, in this case now white 10. You can see how to candle this much white. Now white knight got to c7 and beautiful check here. Then king got to b8. Okay, now you can see beautiful move make another move of white 10. White knight cross a6 and brilliant discovered check. Now then king got to a8. Okay, now you can see another move of white 10. White knight got to there in c7 and brilliant check. King has space, only one space, that is b8. If king come to b8, then knight go to here on d5. Okay, now discovered check. If rook or knight played e5, black the check with the knight, then bishop cut the knight by the white bishop. Total this game white win in some moves. You can see how to white win the game. Okay, then another move of rook, black the check with the rook go to d6, then bishop take the rook, then king go to d8, then brilliant move will be made. White knight go to b6 and beautiful check. If cut the knight by the phone, that's it. In one move white made a brilliant checkmate. Rook a1 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is tactic 1. We can go to the tactic 2. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is tactic 2 played by grandmasters. In 15 moves white wins by checkmate. You can see how to white win the game. White checkmate. White. Okay, first move is, you can see here, knight f6 and beautiful check. Then king go to g7. Then white has two options. First one is knight go to h5 or knight go to d5. Now knight go to h5 and brilliant check. Then king go to g6. Then bishop go to c2 and another check. Then cut the knight by the king. Then you can see how to handle this much white. White get a beautiful queen. Now knight made a beautiful check with and fork. Then he came here, then you can see take the queen by the knight, then king come to here, you can see now e2 pawn, then bishop go to there, then e1 and get the knight, then bishop go to d5. Okay, now you can see another move of black chain. Black pawn come to c2, then bishop go to c4. You can see in 2-3 moves white wins white, checkmate. Okay, then another move of c1 and get the knight, double knight, white black made a double knight and bishop go to b5. Okay, then knight come to c6, then bishop cross c6 and beautiful move made white bishop. Then knight go to c7, then bishop come to a4, then c4, then bishop go to d1 and brilliant check. If black the check with knight, then cut the knight by the bishop, then knight go to there in f3 and bishop cross f3 and brilliant checkmate. That's it. We can go to the tactic 3. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go to the tactic 3. Okay, hello chess fans and chess lovers, welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is tactic 3. You can see how to win the game black, this particular chess tactics. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is rook cross c3. You can see black made a sacrifice the rook, then white made a beautiful cutting g cross h4. Queen is gone. Now you can see why this queen is gone. Now you can see how to handle this much black. Now black decided to push his rook to d8. Now you can see I take the queen by the rook. Okay, totally this game black win easily. You can see now rook is gone. Then black made a beautiful move, make rook h3. This is the third move of black. Then white need to move here. This is queen g2. Okay, then black chain. Black cut the bishop by the bishop. Bishop cross e4. Then if queen take the bishop, that's it. In one move, black wins white, checkmate. Rook cross h2 and brilliant checkmate. That's it. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.